Mwako wa thibitari mweru wa Njoro level 4 kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ni utanyitwo kwambiriria kuria ugukorwo ukihuthira muigana wa ciringi mirioni 157 na ugukorwo ugiteithiriria na njira nene hari kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Waki wa thibitari uyu warika arwaru aria makoretwo makioha thabari ndaya cia gwetha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini wa Nakuru level 5 ni megukorwo makihuthirio murigo amu thibitari uyu ugukorwo ukiheana motungata mothe maria marabatarania.
And it is supposed to be completed in 40 weeks, which means by Christmas this year it should have been completed. After it is complete, we are, as a county government, we are going to equip it and provide the necessary staff so that they can start service delivery.
Waki wa thibitari uyu warika arwaru aria makoretwo makioha thabari ndaya cia gwetha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini wa Nakuru level 5 ni megukorwo makihuthirio murigo amu thibitari uyu ugukorwo ukiheana motungata mothe maria mabataranagia.
Sisi tumefurahi sana kama watu wa Njoro, and na hii hospitali is going to serve very many people kutoka Tipis, Kamwaura mpaka Kianjoya. Hii yote ni kuna watu wengi sana wamekuwa kitambika kwenda Nakuru, referral nini yote.
Kuringana na afitha wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nakuru Gicuki augite matanya mao ni gutungatira arwaru makiria ma 100,000 guku akiongerera motungata mothe marikoragwo mari ma gikiro kia iguru.
We are building a similar facility in Mahiu. In Naivasha, we are just about to finish in collaboration with Kengen a facility, an outpatient department, a modern one, worth 330 million. And it will be finished in this May and we'll start operationalizing it.
Oho Gicuki augite maingi ma mathina maria makoragwo magumeire muingi macungagiririo ni muingi kwaga guthurimwo mahinda kwa mahinda, riu akihoya muingi kuhuthira thibitari uyu hari guthurimwo ugima wao wa mwiri.